Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Friends, I will show with you how to refund purchase on G2G. To refund purchase, for example, you make purchase this item and you want to make a refund. The first step you need to write this, guys. You need to read this policy: transaction made outside G2G and buyer have verified confirmed recipient. This is the refund guide policy. After read this one, go to submit ticket. From submit ticket, write your email address and you'll write order here, this seller, buyer, or other product type. Click for example gift card and write your subject: refund item purchase. From here, write your descriptions and write your order number, your order make number. From here you can get your order number, guys, from purchase order, and write your phone numbers, and this is optional, and click submit. From here, write your own description. Guys. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget subscribe and like and share this video, and wait to support him to get your answer.